Hello, today I'm going to show you how to clean the infuser. The infuser is detected inside of your machine of the Delonghi Magnifica coffee making machine. Let's have fun. The infuser may not be extracted when the machine is on. Make sure the machine is correctly turned off. Open the service door. There we go. Good job. The infuser must be cleaned at least once a month. And there it is, the infuser. Yeah. This is what is going to make our delicious coffee. Oh yeah. The coffee will dip there and then it rotates into the basin. So, but first we have to extract the drip tray and the grounds container. Good job! Press the two red release buttons inwards and at the same time pull the infuser outwards. You can see on the right side and on the left side there is a red tray, and now press them to the center and at the same moment pull it out. Again, push and pull it out. Good job, there it is. Do not washing up liquid to clean the infuser, as it could cause damage. Soak the infuser in water for about 5 minutes. Then rinse under the tap. Easy. Only fresh water is necessary to clean this part of your machine. There it is. Let it now relax a little bit. Chill out, my little infuser. It is a chill out time for the infuser. After about 5 minutes, I am going to take a little sponge and then clean it with fresh water, as you can see. Easy going. Why do only you have to use fresh water? Because in the inside there's no electronic, there are mechanical parts, but these parts are lubricated with some fat, and this fat does not come out because you only use fresh water. If you use soap, the fat will flush out, and there is a anti-lubricating time for this infuser, and it can make damage to it. Now it's time to clean it by the sponge cleaning action. So now it's clean, as you can see. It shines like new, but it is not new, as you can see. You can see the brown water now. This all contains a little bit of coffee. Maybe we can drink it? No, it was only a joke. I'm kidding you. So that it is, how to clean it. Now it's time to get it back in position. After cleaning, replace the infuser by sliding it onto the internal support and pin at the bottom. Then push the push symbol fully in until it clicks into place. Please note, if the infuser is difficult to insert before insertion, adapt it to the right size by pressing the two levers on the upper and on the downside. This will help you to get the infuser back in position. Once inserted, make sure the two red buttons have snapped out. Replace the drip tray and grounds container. And of course, close the service door. And that it is how to clean the infuser once a month. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon. Good job.